girls, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, we're gonna use this makeup. I got this from, it's my Morphe brush. I got that from Family Dollar, that makeup. So we're just gonna put a little dibble dabble. How y'all feeling today? Grand Rising. Okay. Kings and queens. Okay. Emperors and empresses. Yes, hunty. So this is just a quick fast get ready with me. It's a revised part 2 from the last one when I did it many moons ago. So this is what I do. I don't put nothing on my face because my face is oily. My skin is oily. So I don't need to put all that muck stuff that people use, the makeup artists use. I don't use all that. I might use sunscreen, but first of all, as we know, us women that use makeup, SPF 15, 35 and all that good stuff, sunscreen is in the makeup if you read the back. But so you don't need to add extra. Like, I don't want to clog my pores from getting all that good vitamin D from the sun and all the other good stuff that we get for our melanin skin. Okay, now I'm about to put this on, this Pro Concealer, my bad. Pro Concealer, LA Pro. So Aaliyah J, I love her. Okay, hello, I love her. So I was channeling her in that picture that y'all see in my cover photo in the green dress. Yes, hunty, strike a pose. So, yeah, she uses this. She's been using this for years. I've been watching her for years. And she is so successful. I love her. That's my sis. But anyway, back to this. That's not enough talk about that. Okay, so we just gonna dip dabble it in. We just gonna work it on in, put it on your eyes. So I was born with dark circles. I was born with it. It doesn't matter. When I was little, like 4 or 5, I already had those. So that's not nothing from adulthood or whatever. That's just my chemical makeup. I guess it's from one of my parents. Look at Peppa Pig. Hey girl, Peppa Pig. Oink oink oink. Do 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 do. That's what she watching. Lord have mercy. Lot of mercy. She is right in front of me. Yes, right in front of me holding the tripod. So that's why I had to do this voiceover because it's too loud. Now I don't want to get copywritten. YouTube be going in. Okay. So as you see, this is my brown eyeliner pencil. I don't have no eyebrows. Yeah, you know I'm mixed. My dad got that Chinese eyebrow, Portuguese, ching chong, ching-a-lang in him. So I got it too. So I just put a little, I just add the N. I don't like being all extra, looking like I don't need to look like whatever, what they call them. I don't need to look like that. A drag queen. I'm not putting my makeup on to look like that every day. So just a little bit goes a long way, hunty. Okay, I'm not always with the shenanigans. So I do this for contouring sometimes. I couldn't find my contouring kit. I have the Morphe. I hide everything from my daughter. So this the Maybelline Fit. Yes, the powder. Ooh, y'all see it. Okay. Dab, dab, dab. So we're just gonna rub it in. My sponge, the wet sponge that everybody puts on. I'm telling you, I was like, I just got up and washed my face, brushed my teeth, and got on the camera. So after I got off, I found everything, but it was too late. Oh, well, I'll do it in my next one when I have a chit chat. So what y'all guys like to use? Tell me in the comment section below. I like to comment with you guys. You see what I'm saying? I'm trying to dab it on in. Don't you love when they do it and you watch those makeup tutorials and they eyes be looking all Chinese, ching chongy? I'm like, how they do that? They put so much concealer underneath the eye. I just put it so that you don't see, because you still see the dent, right? Yeah, she going ham. So you see the dent? That's what she doing. She knocking the marker. Yeah. She's knocking me with the marker. So anyway, another reason for voiceover, guys. Now, this is from Family Dollar. I mean, no, Five Below. Five Below. It's only $5. So as you see, I've been using it. I love to use this one color that's in the middle. I could never find it. So I used to live in Staten Island, and I bought 2 of these, right? And then I got pregnant, and I was on bed rest. So I never went back to the Five Below because after that, I moved to the Bronx, and then I moved out of state. So I never went back. And the Five Below out here, it doesn't have it. Oh, my gosh. So I watched this, I don't know, she's black and Asian looking. She puts like the pink blush on her nose, but she does a whole lot. I just put a light dab just to make my face look a little rosy and everything like that, you know. So little mama had like a little cold, and yeah, now I have it, but it's all good. It's just my voice. So I'm gonna put this to lighten it, like the cut crease. You know how I did the cut crease in the first one? I don't have time for that. Yeah, no. If she was asleep, oh, I would have hooked it up for real. I would have killed it. My cut crease game, oh, ooh, upgraded. Anywho, so this looks just the same because once you put the wing on, nobody could tell. Nobody could tell. They won't know. They'll know. They won't know. Y'all know that thing? It'd be like, nobody's gonna know. They're gonna know. No one's gonna know. They're gonna know. Is anyone gonna know that I use my fingers to put makeup on my face? No, please. And would they care? No. Because I look good. Look at this. Look at this. So that's the Master Chrome Maybelline. So Aaliyah J was using that. Let me get up close and personal. Okay? All up in your business. So I'm just putting this on. Just put a little dab. So if I had the crease sponge, I would have put it, and then you would have saw that line. But I don't like to show that because not all the time you have to look like you got a bunch of makeup on. You feel me? You don't gotta look like you a doll every day. Like, what's going on? I don't like looking fake and phony. Hello. That's why I'm not fake and phony. But anywho, let me not throw no shade early in the morning. It's early in the morning right now. Oh well. Can't take it back. So, you know how they be doing that that nose contour, please. I just do a little bit and put the rest under my eyebrows. And I would put on my Gucci, after I take this off, I'm going to fix my curls and put on my Gucci scarf. So, I mean, it's Gucci, so it doesn't matter what my hair looks like. Sure, that's what I say. Because don't nobody else have it. Okay. So I put these little cute things. I love Marilyn Monroe. Yes, I do. I have all her portraits. I can't wait to hang them up. I need like a big frame. But she was gorgeous to me. She had low self-esteem, but that's because of the toxic narcissistic man that was in her life. So she took her life, which is horrible. Or what's his name took her life? The Kennedy, who she was messing with. He was married. Didn't want her to, tell the truth that they was messing around. It's sad. Sad. Anyway. I saw autobiography, I love her, like I said. But here go the wing. I learned this new thing. You could put it on the end. On TikTok, I was watching it on the shorts. What? You just put on the end, and then you start at the beginning, like halfway. I don't go all the way over. But Aaliyah J, she does it from like the corner of your eye, like inside. I don't like that because my eyes tear up real quick. And I don't like that black ink getting in my eyeball. I need to see until I'm 120, okay? And I don't have time. Trying to be cute, losing my eyesight. Not for nobody. Sorry. So this is the new wing. This is how I do it. See, from the end all the way. Look, start from the end. Just make your little line. And then connect it. Boom! Let it mercy. Look at that. Oh, my goodness. Even that's it. Some people just do that. Because I have what is it called? Winged eyelids, wedged eyelids. I forgot what it's called. But you know when your eyelids, like, close and then you don't see it, the top? I don't know. Anyway. I'm looking in the comments. I'll put up what's the name. But, yes, that's it. What I'm looking like. Oh, hey. Get it? What you think? I did a good job. Thanks for watching, guys. Whoa. Oh, whoa. Don't laugh at me. I know. I'm a mom. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Yep. This is the life. Do you mind kicking me? Ma'am? No? Okay. Are you doing some yoga? Yoga? Okay. Oh, wow. Ow.